2018 Vauxhall Vivaro. This one is a crew cab with 6 seats with 112,000 miles on. It's got the Rhino roof rack on the exterior. Also comes with a major service, 12 months MOT and glow plugs. You can see by the bodywork, nice and clean throughout. Into the interior, no big rips or tears. Interior is pretty clean. A few little stains here, but apart from that, in fairly good condition. This will come with our standard 3 months warranty. To the back, it's got ply line. This van has 2 keys and drives absolutely spot on. The interior, no rips, no tears. If you've got any inquiries, drop us a message or give us a call.